In this video, we'll walk you through FastCGI page caching, an essential feature to supercharge your WordPress site's performance. First, head to your FlyWP dashboard. Select the site you want to configure. Click on the Caching tab in the Site Options menu. FastCGI Cache that enables FastCGI caching. When FastCGI Cache is enabled, you can set your cache duration from seconds to days. Once expired, the cache will refresh automatically on the next page request. FlyWP's caching system is designed for maximum speed, but some pages and user interactions should always remain dynamic. That's where the exclusions feature comes in, giving you precise control over what not to cache. FlyWP offers two powerful exclusion tools. First, request URI exclusions if you need to exclude certain pages. Enter the URL path for each page on a separate line. And cookie exclusions, you can also skip caching for visitors with specific cookies. Just enter one cookie name per line. To save time, FlyWP includes common presets for popular tools like WooCommerce and the WordPress Admin. Click a preset to automatically add its recommended exclusions to your current list. Just one click, and all essential exclusions are applied for you. If you've enabled FastCGI Cache, you'll notice a Clear Cache button on the same page. Clicking this will immediately clear the NGINX cache, useful if you've made recent changes to your site that are not yet reflected due to cached content. Need more help? Check out our documentation page or reach out to our support team. They're just a click away.